Fiesta, Focus, and Transit Connect. 3 different Ford vehicles with one thing in common: the Ford Global DNA. Coming up, we'll show you the universal design characteristics of seat adjustment and door locks inherent to these 3 vehicles. Ford is designing vehicles that appeal to drivers on all continents through its One Ford product development system. Now that's exciting. This strategy sets a standard for the way Ford products and components are developed and engineered. It allows Ford to leverage its best resources around the world to create global vehicles that are unmistakably Ford. The operation of certain controls like seat adjustment and door locks in global vehicles may differ from their American design counterparts, and it's important to understand these differences so you can share this knowledge with your customers. We have a Fiesta, Focus, and Transit Connect here to show you how the seat adjustment and door locks work. Let's start with the seat adjustment. In all 3 of these vehicles, the seat adjustment works pretty much the same way. Let's check it out. To raise or lower the driver's seat, locate the lever control on the left or outboard side of the seat. Pull up on the lever to raise the seat, and push down on the lever to lower the seat. The lever acts like a pump, so the more you pull it up or push it down, the higher or lower the seat will go. You can also adjust the seat back recline. To do this, find the recline adjustment control a little behind the height adjustment lever. Be sure to point out exactly where this is located, since some customers may confuse the height adjustment handle for the seat recline handle. If you lift up on the recline control, you can move the seat back forward or backward to adjust the angle, then let go of the lever to set it. The Focus and Transit Connect both feature an available manual lumbar support adjustment. Fiesta does not. Be sure to show your customers that the lumbar adjustment lever in Focus and the knob in Transit Connect are located on the right or inboard side of the driver's seat back, as opposed to the left or outboard side they may be used to with other vehicles. For Focus, moving the lever forward will give you more lumbar support, and of course, moving it back will lessen the support. In the Transit Connect, turning the lumbar support knob clockwise will give you more support, and turning it counterclockwise will give you less support. Now, let's move on to the locks. In the Fiesta and Focus, the door locks work the same way, but in the Transit Connect, the lock operation is different. So let's start by reviewing how the door locks work in the Fiesta and Focus. The door lock control is located on the instrument panel near the radio. Your customers may intuitively go to the door to find this control, so it's important to point out that the location is on the instrument panel instead, and that there are no door lock control mechanisms on the door panel to indicate if the doors are locked or unlocked. Instead, to lock or unlock the doors and liftgate, if equipped, just press the button on the instrument panel. A light will illuminate to indicate the doors and liftgate have been locked. Pressing the button a second time unlocks the doors and liftgate. Now let's see how the rear doors operate. The rear doors are actually unlocked and opened from the inside using the interior door handle. A single pull of the handle will unlock the door, and pulling the handle a second time will open the door. If auto unlock is activated and the driver's door is open, then the doors will automatically unlock. In this situation, passengers in the rear need only to pull the handle once to open the door. Now, let's move over to the Transit Connect and see how the door locks work in this vehicle. The Transit Connect comes from the factory with 2-step door unlocking activated, where one press of the unlock button on the key fob unlocks the front doors and both side sliding doors. But to also unlock the rear cargo doors, the unlock button needs to be pressed twice. Owners can reprogram the key fob to activate 1-step unlocking instead. To do so, with the vehicle locked, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob simultaneously for 4 seconds. The turn signal lamps will flash twice to indicate the change has been programmed. Now, one press of the unlock button on the key fob unlocks the driver and passenger front doors, both side sliding doors, and the cargo doors. Using the interior power door lock button, pulling on the door lock button will now unlock both of the front doors, both sliding doors, and the cargo doors. One quick note about locking the vehicle with the key fob. After pressing the lock button on the key fob, visually confirm that the turn signal lamps flash twice, indicating the vehicle doors are locked. That concludes our quick look at the Fiesta, Focus, and Transit Connect global features. I hope you found this information helpful so you can confidently share these tips with your customers on a test drive or when they take delivery of their vehicle. For more information on these global vehicles, log on to eSourcebook.